welcome to episode 196 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about security freezes. What is it, why you need to do it, and how is this going to help? So the first thing is what is a security freeze? Now, when it comes down to knowing exactly what a security freeze is, it's just a basic definition is it's a restriction that's placed on your credit report, and it prevents lenders and creditors from accessing your credit report. This makes it harder for identity thieves to actually open new accounts in your name. So that's what a security freeze is. Now, how to place a freeze is all you have to do is really call all three credit bureaus, or you can do it online. So you can go to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion's website, and I actually have them on my blog. So look in the description, check out the blog for this one. You can actually have all the links there. So you want to set a security freeze by just calling them. And then sometimes when you do a freeze, they'll have a certain PIN, and a PIN is what they'll have to give whoever's calling in, or even you too, later on, you're going to have to give it. You'll have a PIN which can say, yep, this is really me. You can freeze or unfreeze my credit report, because you have to think about it. The impact of a security freeze is certain reasons why you're going to even want to do a security freeze. You have to think about the impact. So a security freeze means that nobody can actually look at my credit report. No one can get my credit report. If I have a freeze on my credit report, it means that my credit report needs to be unlocked. And a trick for me to find out which bureau that a lot of these companies were going to apply, which bureaus they use to approve you for a credit card, is I always freeze my bureaus, or I just keep my credit reports frozen. I'll know exactly what bureau they're going to pull from. And then from there, I'll know, okay, that's the bureau, because they'll say, hey, we need you to unlock this credit report before we can approve you. That's a freeze. Nobody, even yourself, can get a credit card or any type of accounts, certain accounts, should I say, if you have a freeze on your credit report and they need your credit report. So that will be the impact of a security freeze. Like, nobody can get your credit report. You can temporarily lift it. Say if you want to apply for some credit cards, I'll usually call TransUnion and say, hey, unfreeze my credit report on this day, and just that one day, or unfreeze it now and put a freeze back on it tomorrow. I'll be done applying for all my credit cards today. Just automatically put the freeze on there tomorrow. So I know, hey, by midnight, I need to apply for everything, or I need to call back in. But you can temporarily do a freeze. And then also for Equifax, you can do it right through the app. Experian is acting funny now. They have some type of credit lock thing right now, and they're trying to make you pay for that. And we're going to talk about basically that this should be free. So Experian has some type of credit lock where they're trying to charge you. I will call and just say, hey, put a basic security freeze on my credit report. Sometimes they're going to say, do you want to put fraud alerts? You can just do a freeze in general, meaning nobody can pull your credit report. This is supposed to be free, you guys. We should not have to pay for something like this. And when I actually consider it if you have identity theft in the past, or if you're just going to not apply for anything in a while. If you know that you're not going to apply for anything in the next few months, say if I know I'm not going to apply for anything tomorrow, basically, or for next year, I need a freeze on my credit report. I can't continuously watch it to see if somebody took my information and was successful in getting approved for a credit card. I just put a freeze on there, and then I'll know that I'm good. So that's what you guys should also do too. Just make sure you have your freeze on there. When you want to apply for something, just remove the freeze and just do a temporary lift. So temporarily remove the freeze, or like I said, go right in Equifax and say, unlock my credit report, and then go right through the app, and then apply for whatever you want to apply for. And then once you're done applying for it, lock it back right away. But I just like to keep it locked, like on lock, unless you know exactly when I'm applying for credit cards, the exact time, you can't get in there. And that's just because our information is being shared with everybody. It's to the point where, companies may already know our social security numbers, and you gotta think about how many hackers know this information from data breaches. So let's make sure that we keep locks on our credit reports. Is very, very important, and it's mandatory. Don't think that this is something I'd rather not. It's a requirement to me that you do have a security freeze on your credit report. I wouldn't go without it. Now that I know how valuable credit is and how you just don't want to mess around and find out. Well, let's go ahead. Now, for those people this is your first time watching my videos, I definitely want to show you all my website. So on my website, I have a lot of stuff that's catering to those people that need to build their credit, who don't have credit at all, or if you need to repair your credit, or if you're just looking to maybe just get higher limits. You don't necessarily need to build it. You just want higher limit credit cards or whatever it is when it comes down to credit cards and like the negative accounts to your credit. That is what I cater to on my website. Now you guys can schedule a call on my website. You can see if I have any upcoming events I'm doing. You can do a home buying application if you would like me to help you purchase a home, and also home tours. Check out some of the home tours that I did. If you guys have any negative accounts on your credit report, such as charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, I do have a dispute letter that you can use here. It's free. I do have a dispute letter that you all can download so that you guys can work to remove those negative accounts from your credit report. Now, you have to get this letter and send it to all 3 credit bureaus or send it to whatever credit bureau is reporting that account. So definitely come to my website. Once you fill out this, you guys will get an email, and then also I'll send you something about how you can increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check that out. If you have negative accounts and you want to actually target them, such as you got late payments, student loans, collections, charge-off, bankruptcies, then I have dispute letter packages. These letters have 6 letters in it, and the bankruptcy is the only one that have the 4. But this is the letters. These are letters that you guys can use to start removing those negative accounts from your credit reports. And it's only $27 for a package of 6 letters. In a little bit, though, I'll show you how you can possibly get this at a discounted rate. Also, utilization sheets. I always show people how to balance out their credit cards, and I have a utilization sheet here where you can track all your credit cards. You can know what your utilization is, and it's going to actually help you pay down your credit cards. If you guys have balances on your credit cards, you need to know how to actually pay it down, which ones to pay down first. This sheet would be great for you all. If you guys are looking to possibly get more hands-on help, you would like to talk to me, you want more access to me, then I do suggest that you guys get my membership. I make sure I take calls for those people that's in my membership as a priority. I do have one where you start with a $1 trial, and that is going to be $79 per month. And then also have one for $99, and then it's going to be $29 per month. Or you can get lifetime access for $599. So definitely, if you want to get more hands-on help, and then also I can email you your letters that you can actually mail, and then I also can mail them for free on my end. Definitely join the membership if you want more hands-on help. Now, this right here is like my favorite part. It's the credit cards. I have multiple lists of credit cards here. So if you're looking for just the top credit cards that I like, I have that list here. If you want to pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry, I have this here. So you guys can pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry. And this would have over 45 accounts. Since this is my favorite list, because I love to pre-qualify for things without that hard inquiry, I'm going to show you a little bit of what it looks like. So you'll see a video of whatever card it is, an image of that card, apply now. So you can go ahead and apply on a website, and also have a free downloadable guide, and I have information about the card, and it's going to repeat for multiple cards. So you can see which ones you definitely like, which ones are going to help you in your journey of building your credit, or even whatever credit you want to get. Now, I have multiple lists: bad credit, students, travel, to build credit, gas, rewards, cash back. I have multiple ones there. I also have the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. The webinar, you can just click directly on here, and you will be able to, again, if you already did those free disputes, because this is the thing I said, the 60 points in 60 days, the webinar that you can watch. If you already did that, once you put your information in here, you should go all the way back to the actual webinar. Now, a lot of people love this part, 6 months of free letters. I can actually do your letters for you, 6 months worth of them, and I can actually email them to you and fill out all your information. All you have to do is literally put them in an envelope and mail them. So I definitely have that for you. If you want the 6 months of free letters, this is something that you have to do if you want me to create the letters for you. First off, you have to get our mega dispute letter package. All that is all of the letters that's here. Like all these packages, you get bankruptcy, charge off, collections, student loans, and late payments. You get all of these together in one. You're going to get the free letter that's here, plus you're going to get additional letters, all of that. And I believe the original price is $199, but you're getting 65% off of that. I think it comes like $67, $69. So definitely you have to purchase the mega dispute letter package, do a 14-day trial with Aura so we can see if you guys have any type of fraud on your account. You need to be able to know if you have any type of data breaches. So definitely sign up for Aura, and all the links are here. So you can just click right here or click here. It doesn't matter. But definitely do step 2. And then step 3 is get your all 3 credit reports with Identity IQ. And it's a $1 trial for 7 days. And that's going to give us your credit report so that we can create the actual dispute letters for you. And then also the last, second to last step is to actually complete the application. That's what's going to give us the personal information I need to put on your letters. So definitely complete the application. And then once you have made your purchase, reach out to us so that we can see if you're eligible for the free letter service. But as long as you did all 4 of these steps, you're definitely eligible for it. And then I have a lot of different blog posts on here about the different Credit 101, Home Buying 101 is going to come next. So definitely check out the website, Rickita.com. I will be editing the website soon, but this is what it looks like now. If you guys are interested in any credit card, you guys can definitely use this search bar here. And then also, if you're on your computer, then you can search. Actually, if you're a member already, you can search right here. I got special things for people that's a part of my actual membership. So if they want me to send certified letters, pay past due bills, schedule a call, for free credit help, sign up. Again, here are the steps that you need to actually do. So yeah, that's what you'll do if you guys are a member. Or say if you want a specific credit card you want to look up, just search whatever that credit card is, and you can see if I made some type of review on it. So here's the Apple card here. I'm going to click on it. Scroll down, you can see I got the video, the card here, apply now, free downloadable guide. And then I also have some people that actually got approved for the credit card. I have some of the reviews here. But I hope that you guys love this website and you're able to find more credit cards to get approved for. You start working to build your credit and you get exactly what you want out of your credit. And last thing I want to say about my wonderful website is if you like a certain credit card, at the bottom, I'll have similar cards. These are the cards to me that's similar to the Apple card. So you can see I have similar ones down here. So you can go ahead and actually click on it and go to that next credit card. So this is the cashback card. And you can see other people say that they got approved for it. So I hope that you guys love this website. You can go into a rabbit hole looking at all the different things that's on this website. But I hope that you guys love it. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day.